Hello and welcome to the Fielders Roofing and Walling Training video. We're going to walk you through the Fielders range of roofing and walling products, all made with 100% Australian steel. Let's get going. Fielders Roofing and Walling is manufactured from 100% Australian COLORBOND steel and Zinc-Alume steel. We offer a wide variety of steel roofing and walling profiles that fit perfectly with all kinds of architectural styles, whether it's for homes, businesses or industrial projects. Our commitment to quality, our people and our customers keeps us ahead in the industry. Fielders has a great selection of roof cladding profiles. A profile is just a term we use for the unique shape in the steel. When choosing the right profile or product, there are a few design factors to think about. First up is the roof length, also called the roof run, and the roof pitch. These are important because they affect how well the roof sheds water and will help determine the right profile, plus the size of gutters and downpipes. Next, you'll want to consider the loads, like dead, live, wind and snow loads. And finally, the shape of the roof itself is key. This helps figure out which of our Fielders products are a good fit for your project. Our roof sheeting works for all kinds of roofing setups like hip, gable, mansard and skillion roofs, plus curved and bullnose sheeting. Curved roofs come in two types: spring curved and pre-curved. Spring curved sheets are straight sheets installed on a curved structure, which can be convex or concave. Pre-curved sheets are curved before installation. A bullnose roof is a single sloping sheet with a curved end at the gutter. When you're talking about Fielders roof sheet and walling products, here's some jargon you'll need. Cover width is the width of effective coverage a roof sheet provides. It allows for the overlapping of roof sheets at both edges. A rib is a ridge on the roof sheet. A pan is a flat section between two ribs. A crest is the top of a rib. The height of the roof sheet is the distance between the pan and the crest. When a sheet is placed over multiple supports, the spans at both ends are called end spans, and all other spans within the sheet length are called internal spans. When a sheet extends past the last support, the extended portion is called an overhang. Fielders offers sheeting in a range of finishes, like COLORBOND steel, Zinc-Alume steel and galvanised. We also have a variety of cladding profiles, each designed for specific uses and with their own recommended application and cover width. Some of these include S-rib, prominence, shadow line, TL5, King Clip 700, span form and many more. Please check the Fielders website or with your local representative for your state's offer. Cladding can be attached to the building in three ways: rib or crest pierce fixing. This involves drilling a screw through the rib of the sheet into the structure beneath. Valley or pan pierce fixing, similar to the rib fix, but this time the screw goes through the valley of the sheet. Clip or concealed fixing. In this method, the cladding sheet is attached to clips that are pre-installed on the structure below. Wall sheets can be fixed using any of these three methods, but for roof sheets, you'll need to go with either rib pierce or clip fix, depending on the profile of the sheeting. Now let's walk through the installation process for roof and wall sheets. First, the frame of the building is put together. Then battens are installed. After that, the cladding sheets are placed, making sure they overlap as needed, and fixed to the frame with roofing screws or clips. Fielders offer a range of additional products that might be needed to complete your roof or wall system. These include things like fasteners, rainwater goods, insulation and moisture barrier products, roof ventilators, translucent sheeting, louvers, vents and skylights, just to name a few. Refer to the Fielders website for selection guides and other key information, including brochures and catalogues, colour selection chart, installation and design manuals, fastener and clip guides, support spacing tables, and rainfall capacities. That's it. We've wrapped up our closer look at the quality Fielders roofing and walling products. Thanks for joining us. If you can imagine it, you can do it with Fielders.